Alright, in an attempt to get rid of this weird little misfire I have, I'm going to lash the valves. So keep the engine running, pull the valve cover, loosen the adjustment screw until you hear a clatter, tighten it till it just stops, and then continue to turn the screw down in exactly 1 1/2 turns to tighten the lock nut securely. I guess I'm going to try this, see what happens. So. Okay, so 1 1/2 more after this. Half. 1. Half. Seemed to work. Alright, so I'm going to repeat that procedure on the rest of them. You loosen it until you hear it clatter, tighten it until it stops, and then do exactly 1 1/2 turns after that to set the preload on the hydraulic lifter. So let's get going on that some more. Something to note, it runs a little rough when you're tightening it, just like the manual says. Once you get that 1 1/2 extra turns in there, it says the engine will run rough for a few seconds until the lifter plunger adjusts to its new normal operating position. Noisy lifter should be replaced. So let's keep doing it. Alright, they've all been adjusted per the manual. It's kind of skeptical about it, but it seems to work. Give her a little bit of a rev, see what it sounds. Sounds pretty good. I don't know that it went away, but it sounds better. Starts fine. Seems good to me. Alright, now that that's properly set per the spec, let's throw this valve cover back on. That'll do it.